The Keurig 3-month Brewer maintenance kit is a must-have for every coffee lover who owns a Keurig coffee maker. Designed by the renowned brand Keurig, this kit is specifically created to ensure the longevity and optimal performance of your coffee maker. One of the standout features of this maintenance kit is the included descaling solution. Descaling is an essential process in coffee maker maintenance, as it helps to remove mineral buildup and scale that can affect the taste and quality of your coffee. With this kit, you can easily descale your Keurig brewer and keep it in top shape. The convenience of this product lies in its item form, pods. The descaling solution comes in easy-to-use pods, eliminating any guesswork or messy measurements. Simply insert the pod into the machine, follow the instructions, and let it work its magic. It's a hassle-free and efficient solution for maintaining your coffee maker.